Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix comment not showing up on YouTube. Why do you want to know how to fix comment not showing on up your YouTube? And maybe you're not sure how to do it, right? So today I will show you how to fix comment not showing up on YouTube. So what we will do, by the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. We will just go into the YouTube mobile application here. Now on the top right side corner you can see the profile icon. Click on there, then just go to this setting. After going to the setting, here on the top for option general, click on there. Now here you will see restrict mode, so you have to make sure that restrict mode is off. If the restrict mode is on, then you will not able to comment showing up, right? So you will not able to fix the comment. So make sure that, and this is it guys. So there you go. If you want to know how to fix comment not showing up on YouTube, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to fix comment not showing up on YouTube, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.